Hey you lovely lot, I've got another advanced British English word for you today. That word is MIFFED. MIFFED. Sounds weird, right? It's literally got one syllable. M-I-F-T is how you pronounce it. MIFFED. So guys, MIFFED is an adjective, and what it means you're slightly annoyed at someone, particularly their behaviour. So example sentences: I was miffed. I didn't get the job I applied for. I was miffed. I didn't get the job I applied for. One more example: the boss is miffed at us. We came in late. The boss is miffed at us. We came in late. All right, my lovelies, get here early tomorrow. Don't miff your boss off. See you next time, guys. Bye.